When it comes to awning window installation in Clinton Township, Michigan, finding the right awning window contractors is crucial. Awning window contractors in Clinton Township offer a range of services, from installation to repair and maintenance. Whether you're looking for residential awning windows, Clinton Township, or commercial awning windows, Clinton Township, these experts can provide the best solutions tailored to your needs. Awning window companies in Clinton Township are known for their expertise and quality service, ensuring that your awning windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Energy-efficient awning windows. Clinton Township are a popular choice for homeowners in Clinton Township, MI. These windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also contribute to energy savings. By choosing energy-efficient awning windows, Clinton Township residents can reduce their energy bills and enjoy a more comfortable living environment. Awning window experts in Clinton Township can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best energy-efficient options for your home. Custom awning windows. Clinton Township offer a unique opportunity to personalize your space. In Clinton Township, custom awning windows are available in various styles, sizes, and materials, including vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and wood awning windows. Whether you prefer a modern look or a more traditional design, custom awning windows. Clinton Township can be tailored to match your specific preferences and architectural style. Awning window replacement services in Clinton Township are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Over time, awning window hardware and awning window screens may require attention to ensure they operate smoothly. Awning window replacement. Clinton Township professionals are equipped to handle any issues, from minor adjustments to complete overhauls, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. For those considering awning window replacement in Clinton Township, there are numerous options to explore. Awning window replacement. Clinton Township services offer a wide range of choices, from vinyl awning windows to wood awning windows, allowing you to select the perfect fit for your home. Replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient models can significantly enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Awning windows. Clinton Township are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking to enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of their homes. Hinged at the top and opening outward, these windows allow for optimal ventilation even during light rain, ensuring fresh air circulation without compromising interior comfort. Their sleek design complements various architectural styles, adding a modern touch to any residence. For those in Clinton Township looking to upgrade their windows, considering awning windows can be a practical and stylish solution.